Ever wondered if it's too late to start a business in your 40s, 50s, 60s, or beyond? The answer is a resounding no! In fact, this could be the perfect time to embark on that entrepreneurial journey. You've amassed a wealth of knowledge and experience that younger counterparts may not have. You've learned lessons, honed skills, and likely have a robust network of connections. All these can be leveraged to kickstart a successful business venture. Imagine you're at the helm of a venture that not only brings in passive income but also kindles that spark of creativity and passion. It's not just about the money. It's about the fulfillment of nurturing something from scratch, watching it grow and thrive. Don't let age be a barrier. Let it be your strength. Harness your wisdom, your resilience, and your years of experience. Stay tuned as we count down the top 7 unique businesses you can start in your later years. The time is now. Let's get started. At number 7, we have online consulting. This business idea is a perfect vessel for your years of acquired professional wisdom. Not only does it have a low entry point, but it also allows you to operate from virtually anywhere. Whether you're an expert in finance, marketing, or even gardening, there's a high demand for your knowledge out there. Now let's talk about the potential income. While it varies greatly, many online consultants can earn a comfortable living. The future outlook? Well, with the rise of remote work and digital nomadism, it's promising. But like any business, there are pitfalls. It may take time to build a client base, and of course, competition is fierce. Yet many have paved the way. Take the example of Marshall Goldsmith, a successful entrepreneur who started his consulting journey later in life. If you have expertise and love helping others, this might be the perfect fit for you. Please stick around until our number 1 pick. You will see that it's the booming future. Moving on to number 6, we have the online reselling business, such as retail arbitrage. The growth of digital platforms and the internet has made it possible for anyone to set up an online reselling business with minimal capital. All you need is a good product or service and a platform to sell it on. Income levels vary widely, but with the right product and marketing, the sky's the limit. The future of online reselling businesses is bright as more and more consumers are choosing to shop online for convenience and variety. However, success in online reselling requires a good understanding of digital marketing and customer service. It's also a competitive field, so standing out can be a challenge. But don't be discouraged. Take inspiration from entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos, who started Amazon from his garage and turned it into a global powerhouse. Remember, pitfalls are part of any business journey. They're not failures, but opportunities to learn and grow. Online reselling is a booming industry, and it's never too late to start. At the halfway point, we have niche subscription box service. What could be more exciting than transforming your unique idea into a venture? The entry point is fairly low. All you need is a distinctive concept, an understanding of your target market, and excellent marketing skills. You can kickstart by offering your service to friends, family, or local events, and gradually extend your consumer base. The potential income varies greatly, but niche subscription box entrepreneurs can anticipate earning a comfortable living, particularly as their reputation amplifies. The future prospect seems promising as more and more people are seeking personalized and unique products. However, like any business, it has potential pitfalls. It's a demanding job that requires constant innovation. But don't let that dishearten you. Successful companies like Birchbox and FabFitFun started off in the subscription service sector, and see where it got them. If you love curating and serving others, this could be your ticket to a fulfilling second career. Coming in at number 4, we have mobile notary public. In a modern era where flexibility and prompt service are highly valued, the demand for mobile notary public is continually on the rise. This business idea is excellent for those who have a good understanding of legal matters and enjoy helping people. As a mobile notary public, you can expect to earn a median income of around $35,000 per year, with growth opportunities as you gain experience and expand your client base. Looking into the future, the mobile notary industry presents a promising outlook, with a projected growth as the need for notarized documents in business transactions increases. However, it's important to stay abreast of changing legal requirements and the constant need for meticulous attention to detail. But don't let these challenges discourage you. Remember, there are many successful entrepreneurs in this field. If you have a knack for legal matters and enjoy helping others, this could be a profitable venture. Please consider liking and subscribing our channel if you are finding this information helpful. In the top three, we have health and wellness coaching. This industry is booming as people are becoming more conscious about their health and well-being. It's not just about physical fitness anymore, but about holistic wellness, encompassing mental, emotional, and spiritual health too. The entry point to this business is quite accessible. A certification in wellness coaching can be a great start, but what's more important is your passion and knowledge about health and wellness. As a health and wellness coach, you could be earning a substantial income based on your clientele and the services you offer. The future outlook for this business is promising, especially with the increasing focus on preventive healthcare. However, there could be potential pitfalls. It's crucial to stay updated with the latest wellness trends and scientific research. Let's remember Ray Kroc, the man who built McDonald's empire, was a milkshake machine salesman till his 50s, so it's never too late. If you have a passion for health and wellness, this could be your calling. Almost at the top, at number 2, we have eco-friendly cleaning service. This business idea is perfect for those with an inclination towards environmental sustainability. All you need is some basic cleaning equipment, a strong ethic for green practices, and a keen eye for cleanliness. As an eco-friendly cleaning service, you have the potential to earn a comfortable income, with top service providers making a six-figure sum annually. Even part-time workers in this field can earn a substantial amount, with potential earnings of up to $25,000 to $35,000 annually, depending on the hours worked and the clients served. The future outlook for eco-friendly cleaning services is promising, as the demand for sustainable and high-quality cleaning is ever growing in the modern age. Key skills to hone include customer service, attention to detail, and adaptability to different cleaning challenges. However, be prepared for potential challenges such as inconsistent work and the need for self-discipline. Remember the story of Mary Applehoff, a successful eco-activist who started her worm composting business in her 40s and has since led a revolution in organic waste management. If you have a passion for the environment, this could be your path to financial freedom. Crowning our list at the prime spot, we present the top-notch business spot. We present the top-notch business idea, senior concierge services. This innovation-oriented venture involves providing a helping hand to the elderly in navigating their daily tasks. The demand for such services is skyrocketing. Triggered skills. Underlining the potential of this enterprise, there's a high chance of a rewarding income, marking it as a prospective field for those with a flair for helping. This could be the golden opportunity you've been waiting for. So why wait? Dive this venture. Your wealth of experience could be your key to success. And there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, traversing through a myriad of exciting business ideas. From the digital realm of online consulting to the hands-on approach of retail arbitrage, we've explored unique ventures like niche subscription box services and mobile notary public. We delved into the booming health and wellness coaching industry and the ever-growing demand for eco-friendly cleaning services. And of course, we've highlighted the immense potential of senior concierge services, a business idea that promises a rewarding return for those willing to lend a helping hand. We hope that these ideas have sparked your entrepreneurial spirit, and we encourage you to take the first step. Remember, the world of business is not just for the young, but also for the young at heart. Age is not a barrier, but a testament to your wealth of experience and wisdom. Remember, it's never too late to start. Your next chapter starts now. So get out there, make a difference, and create your own success story. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, drop your thoughts in the comments, and hit subscribe for more game-changing business ideas. Let's keep the wheel of innovation spinning.